Welcome back to Mochaeatstv. I'm going to be doing some lentils, and I've never had red lentils, but I end up splurging on all types of lentils. Okay, so I have yellow split peas and I have these brown lentils. So I'm going to go ahead and do just the red, and they are so nutritious. I don't even know why I don't cook them that often. Alright, so my lentils are done. Oh, thank you. This is going to be so good because like I stated before, the bacon wrapped sausages, they were excellent just being prepared. But once they sit, family, it's like anything. Those seasonings marinate, and oh my goodness, it was so salty. I don't do salt like that. So, and I love bacon. But anywho, this concludes this video. I'm in love with my lentils because they are so nutritious, and I'm going to do better by preparing them. Because as you saw, I showed you I had the yellow, and I guess you consider it green or brown. So I will see you in the next video. Peace.